Once upon a time, a fox was walking through the forest. He spotted a bunch of grapes hanging from over a lofty branch. "Just the thing to quench my thirst," he thought. Taking a few steps back, the fox jumped and just missed the hanging grapes. Again, the fox took a few pieces back and tried to reach them, but still failed. Finally, giving up, the fox turned up his nose and said, "They're probably sore anyway," and proceeded to walk away. The moral of the story is, it's easy to despise what you cannot have.